hate to go there, but we have to go there. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jordan on my channel. It's just Jordan. If you are subscribed to me, welcome back. And if you have never seen me in your life before, then welcome for the first time. This is basically just a channel that you can come to get fashion inspo and whatnot for whatever price point you were looking for, because I go high and I go low. I thought it would be fun to go through my closet and see like what I want to get rid of. What do I feel like doesn't serve me anymore? Also, I just want to state I do have a ton of things in my closet that were just like from a different time for me. So it doesn't mean like,
oh, I'm getting rid of this because it's not trendy anymore.
So there will be things going because of that. So I'm just saying that now because I know somebody's gonna be thinking it, you know, have the urge to put that in the comments. We're not going to talk about that today, okay? If that's how you feel, that's just how you feel, but I have nothing else to say.
And that's on period.
And let's see what I'm getting rid of, because I already have some thoughts in my mind. I also just want to go ahead and state, you know, you got to do disclaimers on this platform. Just because I'm not wearing something anymore and I like roast the heck out of it doesn't mean that you shouldn't, okay? I'm a big advocate for like wear what you want to wear. So if it makes you happy, you wear it. I'm gonna say what I want about things that I own, okay? All right, let's go. I actually have like a ton of spring things to start off with. We can start off with this top. Okay, so I've got this little like cheetah print top. I mean, I thought it was cute when I got it, but now that I look at it, I'm not gonna lie, like the combination of these puff sleeves and this corset top and then the cheetah print, it's just a lot. Like I think it's the puff sleeves for me. If we could leave the puff sleeves behind and just, you know, something like that, you know, I could ride with this, but these puff sleeves are literally making me want to throw up. I might eat my words eventually down the road, but I think I'm done with puff sleeves. I think I'm just completely over it. This is a no. Oh, while we're on the topic of puff sleeves, I actually have this top, but it's not only that, it's really like the off the shoulder for me. The off the shoulder is really throwing me off. I personally feel like off the shoulder is done, and not no, ooh. Sorry, this thing got a lot of lint. I see companies still making it, but I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it. At least not right now. I don't think I like it. Okay, next I have this bag. It's actually by Rebecca Minkoff. It's kind of beat up because I don't use it. Hence why I'm considering getting rid of it. Big bags are just so impractical. The only way that I'll wear a big bag now, if it's like a tote bag or like literally if I'm trying to carry my computer in it. I'm not in the mood to resell it either. Honestly, all this stuff is probably just gonna go to a women's shelter when I find one nearby. This was really cute to me at one point. Like naked people all over it. I'm not getting rid of it because it's not trending. This is definitely trending. It just ain't for me anymore. Okay, so there was this point last summer during quarantine where I was super into like handmade looking shirts. It was like a street style kind of thing, and I'm very over it. Hence this shirt right here. So this is actually like a Zolful shirt. There's really just nothing appealing about this. This just looks like a 4-year-old. Just scribbled all over it. Whatever that was. Whatever that was, I was going through. These are pretty basic. Some little like shorts. I used to work at American Eagle, fun fact, and I used to just go ham buying things. Your girl was a floor associate or whatnot. They're not ugly now, but they just don't make me happy. This vibe is just not, it's just not my vibe anymore. I like the structured mom shorts. I'm not into like the flowy ones really anymore. Okay, next I have this dress. It's very contemporary. I'm actually considering keeping it only because I have to consider some of these things I used to keep just to go to church and work. Well, considering I don't work where I used to work anymore, null and void, you know, I'm gonna eventually go back to church. We may keep that. We're a moment keeping something. It was for a good reason, okay? Church. Okay, opposite of church. This, it just doesn't make me happy anymore. I may be a little disappointed that I didn't get to wear it out anywhere. Very cute dress. I just feel like it would suit someone else much better. So these are like hippie type pants. It's just kind of weird. They're not that bad, but I just have some that I just like way more. So this is a no. All right, now we're to this shirt. It says Kiss of Life Dragon. What was I thinking? Oh my gosh, you guys, these pants. So these, I struggled to get out of these. It was a whole workout getting these over my ankles, and I just never want to suffer like that again. Okay, this is another thing I'm like considering keeping because The butterflies are actually pretty cute. Okay, this jacket right here, it meant well. On the website, it meant well. But when it came, baby, and this is a size, this is an extra small. Let's see. What is this? Ooh, like, okay, if they would have made this and taken away like some of the side, you know, we could have made some shake. I feel like I should be like, I feel like this doesn't need any explanation. We can see why I'm getting rid of this. This is a no. I'm a little conflicted on this one. It's like a little cotton candy like set, and we've got the matching skirt. I got it for my birthday, and let me just say I was stunting in the streets of NOLA in this fit, and I wear it again. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna bless somebody else with this outfit. You may not find it a blessing if you think it's ugly, but let me just say these look absolutely hideous off. They are like some bell-bottom pants with like the distressing at the bottoms. They have the most random holes on them. There's like a hole in the thigh, and holes in the thighs just make no sense. At least one of this size and placement, it's just strange. But I don't like the material. I really like 100% cotton denim. I don't think I'm here for the Fashion Nova stretchy pants look. All right, now we've got this dress. This dress held it down. I think I've already told y'all like my despise for off the shoulder pieces. And then number two, the streets are tired. The streets are tired of seeing it, okay? I've had this since high school. It's done. It's time for someone else to get this dress. So far this is what we're working with. This is the giveaway pile right here. And let me show you guys my keep pile. It's very impressive, very steep. That's the keep pile. Just these two pieces right here. You know, you can never go wrong with white, so we're just gonna hold on to these. For people that care, if you like my vlogs, I know a lot of you guys are like, where are the vlogs, Jordan? Why don't you post any more vlogs? Yeah, I don't want to post them anymore, okay? At least not here. So I actually made another channel just for vlogs, maybe when I go on vacation, stuff like that, see my family, my boyfriend, my friends, me, just regular life, just living the regular life of an early 20-something trying to get her life together. It will be in my description box. There's actually a video today. It's like I'm posting 2 videos in one day. So there's this video today, and also on my vlog channel there is a brand new video up, so make sure if you guys aren't doing anything, if you're not too busy, you know, then head over there. If not anything else, just go subscribe and then you can go watch the video later. Round 2. Whew, I hate to go there, but we have to go there because they're here. They're in my face now. Now, I have to address this issue. These are done. They're just over at this point.
It is a joke.
I don't know who's still out here wearing skinny jeans. If you are, you know that is purely up to you. Maybe they look flattering on you. Or what they look like on me, it's not flattering. I look like a Slim Jim. I look like 2 chopsticks with a shirt on. It's just not gonna work for me. Now, I used to love these. You know, I thought the booty was caking in them. Not to mention that they're dark wash. I think the only reason I've kept them this long is because, you know, I had jean day at work, and so I keep it for that. But now that that's over, there's no reason for these to plague my life any longer. So we're just gonna, so we have this little teacup skirt right here. I got it in high school, who knows when, and I would laugh at myself if I walk out the door in this now, so no. I actually never wore this shirt. I gave it to the Instagram hype, not gonna lie to you, and I'm completely over it. It feels like paper too, so no. Y'all, this is my mom's favorite dress like on the planet. She just loves it so much. I can't even begin to tell you. Like, can't you see why she loves it so much? I don't know if I want to donate this because it's like a coochie fart, you know. I just don't believe in sharing bodysuits, and especially not in the places that I've worn this. I feel like I should just throw this away. This little, I think it's called a chambray. I don't know. I've always called them denim shirt. What the heck is chambray? Chambray. This has to go. I have a way bigger one. I have an oversized one that I also don't wear. But yeah, I really don't have any use for this one because it's fitted, and I don't like fitted chambray shirts, so no. Okay, let me ask you this. Are you allowed to get rid of things that don't belong to you technically? because this is not mine, but I'm gonna get rid of it. This shirt is actually my boyfriend's shirt. It's like an AC. Well, I guess people decided to mow their lawn today. They must didn't know that I was filming. This AC/DC shirt, I stole it a long time ago. It is dingy. Not because of him, I made it dingy. I made it a sleep shirt. He wore it out, I wore it to sleep. It's just been through a lot. And I'm just gonna get rid of it for him, so. Okay, let's get into this dress. I can't even begin to tell you what this is. I'm not sure myself. It's just got a lot going on. I found it at Goodwill Bin. It's sheer and it's got like a little black slip underneath. What's really throwing me off about this dress is this crisscross front. Then I also kind of love it because, oh, that explains it. So it's actually from a brand called Band of Gypsies. I was gonna say I actually kind of love it because it's very gypsy-like, very carefree, very just throw on, and I think it would kind of be cute with my cowboy boots. So for now, we're just gonna put it in the keep pile. I don't really know though. Next, some pants I wore to work and church. Don't like these anymore, no. All right, we've got the intro to mom jeans, retail wise, not like the mom jeans in the thrift store. Anyway, the YouTubers, like they be talking about, like in New York, they be hearing all the New York noises. Well, this is what you hear in the country. People cutting their grass. So we have our issues too. So we've got these Retail's attempt at making mom jeans. They just never got it right. Yeah, these are borderline skinny jeans with like an ugly fabric. We've got some corduroy kind of skinny pants. Skinny, that's all we have to say. Bye. These pants right here, I thrifted these pants. I'm actually getting rid of these pants because I wore them one day. I built up the courage to wear them and my mom made fun of me. She really did. I think she said I looked like an old man in them. And who wants to look like an old man? Yeah, these have to go. I mean, look at the butt. What was that? What was I thinking? No, my booty is not that big. Y'all, I was mad tripping wearing these pants. These gotta go. All right, next up, we've got this little sweater. It's got a little Hollister sign in the bottom left corner. And that's all the reason we have to get rid of it. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, there was this one point in my life where I was like, I can't have anything with like the Abercrombie sign or like the Hollister sign. And then I like got over it and I had pulled this back out of wherever I had it and wore it again because it was comfy. I think it was like an insecurity I had in my between adult and child stages. I didn't want to come off as a child with like the little sign. And so yeah, I was just purely against it. But now I'm just against it because it's like a fitted sweater and if I'm gonna wear a sweater, it's gonna have to be cropped or oversized. And that fits neither of those bills, so yeah. All right, so now we've got these little shoes right here. Where did oh, no. Where are these from? These were like a requirement for like one of the meetings for AKA. And so we all had to get matching outfits. And these were the shoes that we got. You know, not the ugliest thing, honestly. If you've seen some of the outfits that I've had to experience in Greek life, then, you know, this is definitely not the worst of the worst. I purely kept them for church. These are my church shoes. No. Now I wear Doc Martens to church and dare somebody to say something. Oh, we've got some more shoes. Why? Do y'all see how flat this is? If you follow my channel, you already know why I don't want these shoes anymore. If you don't have a platform, Jordan doesn't want it. I might as well have bought these from the hair store. This little top, y'all are gonna laugh at me. How old is this top? This is Forever 21. It's like, this top is a good, it's probably like 10 years old. My best friend who's a guy, he told me he hated this shirt and I was basically like, bump you. I like the shirt, so I'm gonna wear it. And turns out he was right. This shirt is not cute. Okay, next up we've got some pantalones. I feel like it's a clear reason. If you can see these, clear reason, because that's literally the reason why I'm getting rid of these pants. You can see clear through them. I don't have to tell y'all why I'm getting rid of these, right? It's farewell now. We've moved on to bigger and better things. I'm not even gonna flex to y'all right now. The only reason I don't wear those anymore, couldn't afford Jordans like some years back, and that's what I wore for sneakers. But these were popping. Y'all remember like the Stan Smiths? Yeah, these have been beat down. But even if they were in still good condition, I just like more high profile sneakers. Like, I like high tops, I like chunky things, so these just don't really fit like what my style is today. We've got this. I love prints with all my heart, but this shirt, it's just, I'm not into the fitted graphic tee look. It reminds me of middle school when I used to buy like Paramore shirts and Bring Me the Horizon shirts. If you know what that is, please comment below. If you even know what like Bring Me the Horizon is, God bless you. We got some more shoes. We are not against mules, okay? Actually, I'm not even against mules built like this because everybody doesn't like a platform shoe. And I understand that. And so there are actually some chunky platform mules that I have my eye on. And so in order to make room, these need to go. They need to say bye-bye. And so we're just gonna... So there actually is like a whole other pile, like sweaters and like old things that just need to go. They're really boring. But I'm getting rid of a lot more than that, you guys. That's just kind of like a small piece. And I kind of just want to explain why I'm getting rid of the things. Maybe I can inspire you to clear out some room and make some room for some cute new pieces that you just love and are gonna adore for a long time. Standards have went up a lot since purchasing a lot of these items. Some of these items are really old and some of them not. Like some of them were last year, so I have no excuse. I would love to be like one of those channels that shows you guys like my closet and what it looks like before and after, but my closet it's just not set up like that, okay? I just don't have that impressive you know, walk-in closet. Yeah, that's not gonna work. One day though, I will do that for you guys. When I get that nice IKEA sections closet, I will show you guys a closet clean out and organization, okay? I promise. Don't forget, go check out my vlog channel. If you're someone who likes watching my vlogs, then yeah, that space is for you. That's where I'm putting all of my like lifestyle vlogs from now on. They will only be over there. I'm just trying to keep them away from this space. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that that was interesting. That was something different for me, so I don't really know like how you guys will take it. Yeah, I'm gonna get these things together. I'll put them in my car, and I will see you guys next time on my channel. Love ya.